Ugh.
Do you really eat just all of that food?
Yes. Okay, I came back to get my... Why is she on the floor? And did she really eat all that food?
And yes, she did. And yes, she has a stomachache.
I knew it.
Would you like some tea to wash that down?
Yes. No, don't give her any tea. Last time she had tea, she drank it so fast, she got the hiccups. I want tea. Fine. When you get the hiccups, don't come crawling back to me for advice on how to get rid of them.
I'll go and get the tea. Here, I'm back with some tea.
Okay. I think I just stepped on something. Already done. Wow, I made a mess. Oh no. Did somebody get the hiccups? Yes. Ha! I told you so. Now you can look up your own advice on how to get rid of them, because this time I'm not helping you, because I knew you were going to get hiccups. I hate when she's right.
I'll look up some things online how to get rid of hiccups.
Okay. Hurry.
First one is drink a glass of water. Let me get some. And here you go.
Thanks. I don't think it worked.
Number 2. I'll go back to my computer and look up more. The next one is you being scared.
How, like you can scare me. I'm the bird. It didn't work.
The next one is stand on your head.
Okay.
Do a handstand.
Okay. It's not working.
Quit. May look up. The next one is just let nature take its course.
Oh, so you mean I'm supposed to have hiccups for the entire day?
I guess until they go away.
No, this can't be. I'd be made fun of at school and probably get bad grades because I'd be distracted by my hiccups.
Come on, hiccups aren't that bad.
The last time I had the hiccups, which was in 2nd grade, wow, that was a long time ago, I peed my pants when I hiccuped.
Ew. Well, don't you have bladder control?
Not that good of bladder control, I guess. I know I said I wasn't going to help you, but look, I found this new thing online. It says if you just eat crackers, that eventually your hiccups should go away if you just keep eating the crackers. And you're welcome. Easy. I've got a box of crackers right here.
Your eating is really annoying.
Sorry. Wait, I think my hiccups are gone.
Yay! Now your annoying hiccups are gone. Now we won't have to worry about them.
Again. You're welcome. Thanks, Gracie. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And don't, I know I haven't made an LPS video in a week, maybe. I've just been really busy and really distracted by things and making my new series and stuff like that. So, trying to make my new series and stuff like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this short little skit. So, bye. Love ya. Oh, I don't know if I already said this, but don't forget to hit that pretty red subscribe button and become a stalker so you can know when my next video comes out. Bye. Love ya. Mwah.